Pinagpalang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Happy double anniversary po sa ating lahat. The number 2 signifies 2 is better than 1, meaning to say, the grace of God is poured upon us as the fruit of our labors. The number 4 symbolizes the 4 creatures, living creatures around the tabernacle of the Lord in the Old Testament. And 4 symbolizes the completeness of the material world during the creation. Ibinigay ng Diyos ang lahat ng pangangailangan bago lalangin ang tao. Today, we celebrate the 22 years of the Talitha Cum Healing Mass. This was founded or created after 22 years also, and now 44 years of the St. Peter community. Palakpakan natin ang bawat isa. And I am proud that I'm one of those who underwent the Life in the Spirit Seminar doon pa sa Punerarya. No? Pumupunta pa kami sa Punerarya sa rooftop, sa pinakataas. Nung pumunta kami, natatakot kami kasi nagkamali kami ng elevator. Bumaba. Paglabas namin, puro kabaong. Meron pang mini-make-upan doon sa may dulo. Di yata dito, sabi ko, yung spirit. Wala ditong spirit. Kitang-kita natin, may katawan. Baka sa taas, ayun nga. You know, my dear brothers and sisters, this community would not be materialized or would not exist without the help of each and every one of us because of the contribution of each and every one of us na natili at nabuo ang ating community at nananatili tayong nagdadala ng mensahe ng kaligtasan at kagalingan para sa ating lahat. Saksi dyan si Ma'am Del. Ang lakas-lakas niya. Biyaya ng Diyos at patuloy tayong nagpapasalamat sa Kanya. Ito rin ang laman ng first reading, second reading, at ng gospel. Sa first reading, sabi doon, God has a way of imparting His blessing. He has these channels of giving His blessings to us. But, hindi lang siya doong kumikilos. He goes beyond, outside the channels in order to emphasize that no one is left behind. Lahat tayo anak ng Diyos. Kaya naman, sa second reading, we are being reminded ni St. James that God is giving us grace and we receive the blessings from God not for our selfish interest, but rather in order for us to be an instrument of blessings to others. And those who will not comply, these are signs that they have a hard hearts. Dahil daw sa katigasan ng puso. And they will face this in the final judgment. Hindi naman karma, kundi magiging consequence. Because we do not believe in karma. Because that is a Hindu belief. We believe in the consequence. In the gospel, if we will follow the gospel literally, ang dami sa ating bulag, putol ang kamay, at crippled. Bakit? Kasi sabi putulin. Pero ang sinasabi po dito is this. Each one of us, being blessed by God, wanted to be used by God in order for us to be an instrument of blessing to others. Binibiyayaan tayo ng Diyos ng mga kailangan natin, ng mga material na bagay, upang maging instrumento ng kabutihan ng pagmamahal ng Diyos sa iba. That is why as we celebrate this Eucharist, let us thank God for His outpouring blessing na ibinibigay niya sa atin Dahil dyan, tayo rin ay nakakatulad sa kanyang pagiging mapagbigay. And because of God's generosity, we are blessed with so many people. Minsan nagtataka tayo, Father, ang hirap maging generous kasi ikaw na lang lagi lalapitan. Wait, that is a good sign na lagi kang nilalapitan para hingan. Bakit? Ibig sabihin, mabuti ang iyong kalooban, hindi ka mahirap pakitunguhan. Kapag wala nang lumalapit sa iyo, kahit na may kailangan, magtaka ka na, ibig sabihin nun, masungit ka at ang hirap mong lapitan. Yun, ang ibig sabihin nun. Ibig sabihin, we have a good heart, kaya paulit-ulit yung humihingi sa atin. Ibig sabihin nun, mabuti kang tao. Kasi kung masama kang tao, kahit na may kailangan, ay hindi ako lalapit dyan. Pero dahil mabuti tayong tao, we are always being asked to participate and contribute to the betterment of our community and of the church. So we thank God for we are celebrating and reaping what we saw years ago, 44 years ago, and 22 years ago. Because this work, sabi nga, pag ino-ordain kami, may the work that God has begun in you, bring it to completion because of God's grace. Ang lahat ng bagay, hindi magaganap. Ang lahat ng bagay, hindi natin maaabot if it is not because of God's grace. Palakpakan natin ang Panginoon.
God is good all the time. Thank you for joining us today. View our past broadcasts on our Facebook page, St. Peter Community, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Like, share, and hit the bell.